In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an indicator in Bookmap. So indicators in Bookmap aren't actually up here at the top where you can usually see them on different platforms. However, you're gonna have to go to settings up top, and then from here you want to click on configure add-ons. Now from here you can see there's two buttons. The first one says add, the second one says manage add-ons. So the first way you could actually configure and add add-ons is by clicking on add over here, and if you have any .jar files on your computer, you can go ahead and upload them via that and use the indicator that way, okay? But the second way is going to be by clicking on manage add-ons over here, and you'll see under Bookmap add-ons over here, you'll see there's going to be a bunch of different plugins, as they call them, which are basically indicators as well, okay? So for example, I have this absorption indicator over here, I have the VWAP over here, and then there's a bunch of different ones. Now if some of these are grayed out for you, it means that your license actually does not allow that specific plugin or indicator, so you are going to have to upgrade or of course get a different license to be able to do this. But these which are colored white and do have this install button available to click over here mean that of course you can install them and use them here inside your current plan, okay? So if I go over here and for example select this one, the absorption indicator, I'm going to click on the install button, and there we go, it's now added and ready to use. I'm also going to do the same for a VWAP over here. I'm going to click install, and there we go, okay? Now I'm also going to go to Bookmap Connect over here, and as you can see, I'm connected to this Bookmap data over here. I'm inside demo data. That's why I can of course test these. So I'm going to click on this VWAP, and you want to go to the top over here and you want to click on activate, okay? So as you can see, it's going to activate it over here, and it's going to go onto your chart, and here you can then go and basically create the line for session time or current time, up to you, and of course it's going to make one. Now here you can also go if you want to show it or not. You can then go and of course customize different colors over here and stuff like that. This is completely up to you, and of course it's going to be a bit different for every single indicator. If I go to this one, I can activate this one too, and as you can see here, there are the settings for my specific feed I currently have open. Now of course you can access this again by going to the top over here where you can see settings and then configure add-ons, or you can just click on this button over here to open this thing over here, and you can then check them or uncheck them to activate them or deactivate them as well, okay? So that's essentially how to add indicators in Bookmap. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.